Hello, my name's Kate Bickford, and you've received this video because you've expressed an interest in looking at the bigger incomes that this company can offer. So how do we do that? Well, it starts with you again. And we still have our 20 to 30 regular customers, which is going to deliver us a retail income of £200 to £400. Now I say to people, this is your putting petrol in the car money, this is your going to a training money, this is your buying a book money to have a read about the industry and the business. So actually you're in profit and you are using this money to fund your business. It's your cash flow. Then what we do is we say, who do you know who might be open to have a look at something different? Who do you know who is fed up with their job and wanting more? Who do you know who is a mum out at work, not wanting to work and wanting to be at home with their kids? Who do you know who is a dad getting up in the morning before his kids get up and leaving the house and coming home when his kids in bed and not seeing them and having a perfect work-sleep balance? We want to get some balance back into that with a lifestyle balance. So we would help you together. We would talk to a few people that you know, literally just to see if they're open to having a look. So we've got number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what may happen with these people is they say, yes, they want to get involved, they want to earn that 6-figure income, but actually reality then hits. And a couple of them might end up down that retail route that we spoke of earlier, earning just the £200 to £400 a month. Oh. So number 1 and number 2 are doing retail. Number 3, 4 and 5 are going, okay, teach me, show me what to do. Let me show you what happens here. So we're going to start up in the top corner this time with you. And we've got 3, 4 and 5. And these people want to business develop. They want what you want and they've seen what you've seen for their own reasons. So what we're going to do is we're going to work together with them to show them how they can develop a similar organisation to the one that you are currently developing. So let's take number 5 here. We're working alongside them to talk to people that are simply open to having a look at something different. And what you can see here is they've developed a similar structure to the one that you developed on the previous page. And maybe 1, 2 and 3 here decides to go down the retail route. It doesn't matter, it's what's important to them and what they see, and we can help them do that. And maybe 4 and 5 here say, okay, I want this. And what we do, we'll take number 4 now over here and we'll help them to develop their own organisation. Do you see how this is now growing and expanding? You're still talking to people about the business for you, so you may well have number 6 here and number 7 there that have joined your group. So you're working with them, but you're also working deep down into your team. So what can you expect to earn from a business like this? Well, from a retail point of view, your margin goes up. It will be going up from 35% to 48%. And then what the company will do is, because you're helping these individuals to also earn their own income and develop their own business, what the company is going to do is reward you on the product that they put, them and their team puts into the hands of customers. So in effect, you are replicating you. And what can you earn there? Well, that percentage goes from 3% to 13% on your team business. And I have to stress, it doesn't come from your team. It actually comes directly from the company. And what they're saying is that you've done a great job in training and coaching and teaching these people how to do what you've already done. And so therefore they're going to reward you for that effort and for that time. And this type of business actually could have started in the UK. So, and you could start in the Midlands, for instance. You may know somebody in Cornwall who's also started. That could be one of your 5. You could know somebody down the road. It could be your next door neighbour or your best friend from school. So they're in your same locality. You might know somebody in Scotland. And you might know somebody in East Anglia. And do you remember that structure before? What the person in Scotland's going to do is, because they get it, they might know people too down in the Midlands. So this is for their business. They also might know somebody in Spain, over here. So what your business has now done is it's gone international. They might know also somebody in the UAE, in Dubai. And so your business has now gone into the Middle East through this person. And you're working potentially with all these people. And that's going to develop you not only a business in the UK, but also potentially an international business, because we trade in over 150 countries around the world. Now, it might be that you're not quite making sense of this, and that's fine. There's quite a bit to it, but it's a very simple business. And once you get it, once you get the numbers and understand them, trust me, it's very easy to build something that is international. So if this is more your thing, if this is what you want to be doing and you see a 50,000 annual income or a 6-figure income for you, then that's something we can also help you with. So please get back to the person who has shown you this video and just say, show me how.